welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for the Fitter 2020 and a mechanical engineering student. Today we are going to draw about a pipe vise. It is a very easy and a simple. Draw one circle. Okay. Cut here. After that, draw one more circle. Then cut here a V threads. Okay, and draw one straight line, one more vertical line, and draw a curve line. Okay, after that take one here, here, take one more curve line. Okay, it's a very easy and simple. Draw here one line, here one line, cut like this, cut like this, and join this line, join this line. It's very easy and simple. And if you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends, and join this line and join this line. Here one curve will come, here one curve, here one curve, here one curve. In the middle one more circle. After that, here the threads will come, and here taper, join this line and join this line, vertical line. This will be the handle for the rotating. If you rotate here, the thread will come and rotate and join. This is a very simple. This is a 5 point. Thanks for watching my channel.